Hey guys, welcome back. I am doing a hopefully quick video because I'm so excited to share some amazing Happy Meal that I have received. Some I purchased and some are actually from giveaways. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit subscribe and watch this video. Hey guys, I am so excited. I could not hold off anymore. Plus, I felt like this may be too much to add to like one of my cash stuffing videos or planning videos because they're already long enough. So I just want to open some Happy Meal with you guys. I'm so excited. So let's get started. I'm going to move these out the way for now. And we're going to start with the giveaway I won from Comfort Coins. I got some freebies in here. All right, let's open up the freebies. Or the extras. It's all free. It was a giveaway. Oh, wow. Hold on. Oh, gotta make sure I get it all. Okay, I got a raindrop paper clip, which my tray is over there. Oh, look at this flowers. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Wow. That is absolutely gorgeous. Then I got a mini scratch off. I don't know how much this saves, but that's so cute. Then I got a $150 scratch off. An All About Me savings challenge. So you can make the eyes whatever you want. And this is just her letter saying, congratulations being one of the winners of my 4K follower giveaway. I'm beyond grateful for your support. It truly means the world to me. The little gift is just a small token of appreciation for being part of the Comfort Coins family. Your encouragement keeps me going, reminds me why I started this journey in the first place. Enjoy your free prize, and remember, keep budgeting, keep dreaming, and never stop believing your goals. We're growing and glowing together. With so much love and gratitude, Mickey. Comfort Coins. Thank you. So this is what I won. It's a 100,000 savings challenge. So I did look through this because I was very curious, y'all. It is 200 pages. 200 pages of $500 savings challenges. So it is very reasonable when you break it up into like 500 increments. I think the beginning of this is like the color in jars. You color in the jar for every 500. So every time you finish a page, you would color in a jar. So this one page is 50,000. I hope you guys. Okay, that's better. So yeah, so this page is 50,000 and this page is 50,000 worth of jars. So that is really cool. And the numbers are between 5 and I think the max is 35. It even says on the front, say between 5 and 35. Low income. Wow. That's awesome. I really like this. So that is so fun. Thank you so much, Mickey. I am excited about my giveaway. Okay. Now this one I peeked, but I did not open it all the way. So this is my giveaway I won from Jen on a Budget. Oh my gosh, y'all. I just peeked at the top and was squealing with excitement. So let's open it. Yay! Y'all, this is what I saw. Look at this pen. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. And then I don't even know what this is. Hold on. Let me pull out the package. Oh, this is so cute. It's a little wallet. Oh my gosh. Naraya. I'm giving this to Naraya. She's going to love this. No one may steal it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. And then she gave this for the kids. This is stickers. That is so sweet. I love when people like send me some free goodies for the twins. And this is a card. So So it says thanks. This pretty card is so pretty. Hey Tanisha, congrats on winning my giveaway. Thank you so much for supporting my channel and showing some love. And congrats on that YouTube paycheck. Thank you, Jen. Get that money, LOL. Yes, thank you. Oh my gosh, y'all. This, I'm excited. Okay, so let's get to unwrapping. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. It is a Hello Kitty money pouch. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the twins may steal that from me. And then let me get this box out the way. Oh, and then I got, oh my gosh. Who is this binder for? Oh my gosh. This is the softest pebbled. What in the world? This feels so good, guys. Oh my God, look at all this. Y'all, I finally have some of her savings challenges. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's start first with this binder. Oh my goodness, this binder is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so, so soft, y'all. Oh wow. And it's got a little heart. Who is this from? I don't even remember. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's keep going. Then she sent me a 1,000 emergency fund savings challenge from IMSO's budget. Thank you. I love Angela's products. Oh, and then oh yeah, this is I think this is like the red envelope. Oh, yes, it's got some money in there. Oh my gosh, that's exciting. Okay. And this, oh yeah, when I tell you I was so excited when I won, just because I really just wanted her savings challenges. I see everyone getting them and they're so excited and just talking about them. And these all are the ones that are the built-in envelopes. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I was getting so many. Learn to love your inner monster. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can just see how pretty they are. Let your heart decide. And the icons are all the genie bottles. Life is better at Disney. And these are all $100. Every beauty needs her beast, y'all. This is my favorite Disney movie. Oh, this is my favorite Disney movie. Okay. You're the one who could fill the world with sunshine. Oh my gosh. Keep me in your heart. I'll stay forever. Oh, I'm always singing Winnie the Pooh to the twins and they look at me like I'm crazy. Nobody gets left behind or forgotten. Y'all, this movie is actually very emotional for me. Like, it's such a sweet movie. I cried this movie and Encanto. I'm just a big ball of mush. And then Once Upon a Time, look at all the little baby Disney princesses. They're so cute. And You Got a Friend in Me. Oh my goodness. Jen. Oh my gosh. I am just absolutely so excited for everything. Thank you so much. I'm so happy I won this giveaway. I feel like I need to stop entering giveaways because I keep winning. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you for all my goodies. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next and last up is this one from Budget with Maddie. And I'm not going to tell you guys what I'm doing with this, but at first I wasn't going to show it because I'm not ready to tell you guys what's happening with this, but I could not resist because she sent me something. So I opened it. I've seen part of it. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is her thank you card. Thank you for always supporting my shop. Every time I see your order from you, it makes my day. As always, I included a little surprise for you. Maddie is the absolute best. Okay, so let's see what her freebies are. I don't know if this is like in the way. Am I too close now? Okay. Oh yeah, I'm so excited for just all these things. I just had to just stop what I was doing and film this video because I could not wait. I could not wait. And thank you for the paper clip. I got a black teardrop. Love it. Y'all know I need these paper clips. And I love when she gives planner cards. And this, I have her black ones, but this is a white one. This is really nice. I like it. Oh, she gave me an IOU. This is nice. And you can just write in what the amount. And then she gave me this Girl Boss Savings Challenge. And you can make each icon whatever you want. I love this. Definitely will be added to my freebie Friday. Thank you, Maddie. Okay. Now, y'all, wait until you see what's in the box. Okay. This is the extra she gave me, y'all. She gave me this coin pouch. Oh my gosh. This is so, I love it. I love it. Oh, this is, you can just tell it's so pretty already. Wow. Okay, can you guys see? Look how deep this coin pouch is. This is so pretty, and I love the texture. It's that pebbled material, which I really, really am into right now. Then I got 2 of her binders. Let me just take everything out so you guys can get a better look. Because I want you guys to get a good look. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I got her, don't get me wrong, I don't know if it's like colored cream. I love her new, okay, first of all, her new packaging is absolutely amazing. This is beautiful. This is actually embossed with Budget with Maddie. I don't even know if that's showing up on camera, but this is gorgeous. Love it. And then I got the black one. So if you guys know, my gray binder is from Budget with Maddie. She was kind enough to send me this one. She said it was a oopsie. Can't even tell what was wrong with it. But this is the binder inside. I changed my travel fund binder to this one, and I love it. I love how wide they are. It's just beautiful. So I got these, and then I got these beautiful charms to go on it. Like, look at this. No, this is so pretty. Like, this looks better in person than, and I loved it on the website, but this looks so good in person. It's this matte finish on these beads, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I am so excited for this. So wait, you guys will see what I'm doing with these. So I'm excited, but I had to show you. I didn't want to wait. So that is everything from this Happy Meal video. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you did, please like, subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And until next time, guys, bye.